Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to be learn about one basic animation which is pop the balloon. Okay. So it's very basic project. So who can watch this video if you are a beginner level? So you can watch it. Okay, if you are intermediate level, then also you can watch it because this is one animation. So you will enjoy this animation. Okay. So while creating a project, if you will get any kind of issue, just write that issue in the comment section. So I will reply you. Let's run it first. See what you will get the result. When I will click on any one of the balloon, see you will get one sound and simultaneously the balloon is moving. See, so this is one basic animation that we are going to start today. So let's start this project. This is a very good animation, we can say. How you will start now? As you can see, every balloon they are moving. Okay, so it's very basic thing how we will start it. We need to just open our Google. You have to just search for Scratch. I will give you the link, even the link in the description box, so you can click on that link also. Okay. This is the first link itself, which is scratch.mit.edu. Before starting your project, you need to join the Scratch. If you are a beginner level, like if you don't have a account here, so you need to first join in. Over here, you have to create your user ID and password. This user ID and password you will require while signing. So if you want how to join the Scratch, how to sign in, I will give you the link because I created one separate video for that. So you can first watch that. First create your account and then start your project. Okay. We need to click on create button in order to create a new project. Okay. The very first thing how to delete it, you have to just press on this delete button, select yes. So while creating any animation, we will require two things. One is sprite. Sprite is nothing but your characters. The second one is we will require the backdrop, which is nothing but your background. So let's start. We are going to add some background. So we have all inbuilt backgrounds, as you can see. It's your choice which one you wanted to add. Okay. So basically, this is your animation. So you can add your own backgrounds. Suppose I wanted to add the blue sky. So once you will click on the blue sky, you will get it. Okay. After that, how to add your sprites. So sprite is nothing but your character. You need to choose a sprite. Over here, suppose we wanted to add the balloons. So this is the first. Like that, you can add some more. Suppose I wanted to add one basketball also. Then I wanted to add, for example, any sprite. It's again, I'm telling you, it's your choice which one you wanted to add. Suppose I wanted to add the gobo. Then after gobo, we have say jellyfish. Suppose. So as you can see, total I added 5 sprite. If you want, you can add more. Okay. It's very simple. We added 2 balloons, 1 ball, 1 jellyfish, 1 gobo. How to start the code? That is the most important thing. Okay. So always we need to start the code with the help of our blocks. Like this is the block, and always we are going to start with some event. Event is something like action. So you have to go to the event. Either you can add when flag is clicked. When flag is clicked means if I will run this project, then everything will happen. But in our project, what we want, when I will click on balloon, then only balloon will move. Okay. So for that, we need to take this third one, which is when this sprite is clicked. Okay. So when this sprite is clicked, suppose we wanted to add some sound. So we can play the sound, okay? After this, suppose in our project, what we did here, let me stop it. If I will click on the balloon, see the first balloon is hiding, then it is moving. So same thing we need to add here. So the hide block you will get in the looks, little bit scroll down, you have hide. Like see, if I will click on the balloon, now the balloon is hide. Now the next thing, after waiting some second, we need to show it. So in the control, we have a wait block. So it means after wait of 1 second, we need to show the balloon. So just scroll it down. Now see what will happen. After waiting 1 second, you will get the balloon again. So it's working properly. Now the next part, we need to move it randomly. But again and again, it is, we don't want to move one time. We want to move like so much of time. So for that, we need to go to the control. There is a one block which is called as forever. So once we will add the forever, just go to the motion. We need to add the glide random position. Now what will happen? See, the ball is moving like the balloon. Okay. So same thing we are going to apply for the second balloon. Now what you need to do, you need to stop the video. You have to try this and see whether you are able to do it or not. Okay. It's very simple. When this sprite is clicked, we need to just hide it first. Okay. So go to the looks, just hide it. We have to go to the control. After wait for 1 second, we need to show it. So the show block is here. Okay. After that, in the forever, so go to the control, add this forever. We have to glide randomly. Okay. So just check whether you are able to do it or not. Okay. See, both the balloon, they are moving. Okay. Suppose every time you want to change the costume of your balloon, see, you are getting a different colors. So that one you can add. So this is the next costume. Like for balloon, we have a different colors. So you will get a different colors. Suppose we want to add the same code in the basketball. No need to add the same thing again and again. Why to waste the time? So simple, drag and drop it inside a basketball. If you will check the basketball, you will get the code very simple. Just run it. Same thing we can add for Gobo. Just drag the code and drop it here. Now see for Gobo also we have a code. See the Gobo is also changing costume. And same thing we can apply for jellyfish. If I will click on jellyfish, see the jellyfish is moving, even changing the costume. So this is nothing but our small animation that you can try. If you will get any kind of issue, just write that issue in the comment section. I will help you. I will give you the project link as well as your platform link. You can check the description box. Okay. So even whatever project you want, if you're not able to create it, just write that project name in the comment section. I will create a video about that animation or game also. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.